So welcome to Java programming course. Till now we discussed about the what? Types of inheritance, the next one super keyword and the final keyword. Now in this session we are going to learn method overriding. So let's go to the topic method overriding. So what is the meaning of method overriding? Declaring a method in a subclass which is already present in the parent class is known as method overriding. Means, for example, if you take two classes, in class A contains one method, same method is available in the class B. Now the two methods we call as a what? We are override the parent class method into subclass. We call as method overriding. Next, without inheritance, method overriding is not possible. Means, in the inheritance concept only we are using this overriding concept. So it should be what? It should be follow inheritance concept. Okay. So that is the reason without inheritance method overriding is not possible. The next one, what are the advantages of method overriding? So method overriding is used to provide a specific implementation of method that is already provided by its superclass. The next one is method overriding is used for runtime polymorphism. There are two types of polymorphism, runtime polymorphism, compile time polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism also known as method overloading, whereas runtime polymorphism is also known as method overriding. So these are the advantages of method overriding. The next one is the rules of method overriding. So these are the rules we have to follow when we are going for what? Method overriding. Those are, the first one is method must have same name as in the parent class. Means whatever the method we are using in the subclass, that method name should be same as in the method in the superclass. That is the first rule we have to follow. What is the second one? Method must have same parameters as in the parent class. Okay. So the methods which are declared in the subclass and superclass, if the method name is same, that is the first rule. The second name is what? The parameters are same, that is the second rule. The third rule is, it follows what type of relationship? Is a relationship. Okay, that type of relationship also followed for the method overriding. So these are the rules we have to follow when we go for what? Method overriding. The next we go for what? Without overriding, what are the problems we have faced? By using overriding, what are the problems we solve? For example, in this example, here I am using one class that is vehicle. In this vehicle, I declared one method that is what? Run method. Okay. Inside this run method, I go for some implementation. What is the implementation here? Vehicle is running. Okay. The next one here, one more class I am going to use. That class is what? Bike. Inside this, I am going to what? Extends vehicle. What is the meaning? This one? Here we are, what are the properties we declared inside this vehicle? All those properties are what? We are acquired. We are extending into what? Bike subclass. Means here, the method what we used here, same method implementation is available in this bike subclass. Means the implementation what we are following in the run method, same implementation is available in the bike subclass. Here the problem is, if you want to change this implementation in the bike class, it is not possible. But it is possible with the help of what? Method overriding. So that is the main problem in the without overriding. What is the problem here? Here I want to provide a specific implementation of inherited method. What is the inherited method here? Run. Here I am going for vehicle is running. Here I go for example, by using by we can move safely, right? If you want to implement that type of statements, it is not possible by extending the properties of superclass. It is possible with the help of what? Method overriding. Next we go for that example here. In this example here. Here in this example what? Here we go for what? Vehicle is the name of the class. Here inside this I am going to declare one method that is run method. Here I go for some implementation of run method as vehicle is running. Okay. Next I go for class bike extends vehicle. So vehicle is here superclass. So vehicle is what? Superclass. So what are the properties we declared in the vehicle class? Run method. Okay. Here in this bike subclass, I am going to declare same method but different implementation. Okay. Here method name is what? Run. But implementation wise here, vehicle is running in the superclass run method. Here bike is running safely. It's a different implementation in the bike subclass. So those are means what? Same method name with the different what? Implementation. So that is the beauty of method overriding. Okay. Here next we go for what? Main method declaration. Okay, how to declare? Public static void main string aux. What the next one? We go for what? Object creation. How to create an object? We have to create an object for what? The particular class. Here class, what is the name of the class? Bike. Bike obj equal to new bike. So by using this object, I am going to call run method. So which method is invoked? This method is invoked. But what is the output it will display? Bike is running safely. What is the reason? This statement is overriding the previous existing data. So that is the beauty of what? Method overriding. Same thing when we are in real life, when we are using the Word document. For example, the Word document contains some data. Okay, now we are changing the existing data and replacing the new data. If you are going for saving the particular new document, it will provide the what? The original data means the present data. The previous data is what? Override. So that is the meaning of what? Overriding. So in this method overriding, so implementation of bike is available, implementation of vehicle is available. But now the same method implementation we are doing in a different way, right? So in this bike class we are implementing bike is running safely. This one is override by what? Vehicle is running. Okay, so this is the meaning of what? Method overriding. What is the output here? If you are calling this run method, it will display bike is running safely. Okay, so this is about the what? Method overriding. Okay, thank you.